Hello, welcome in Concept of Mathematics channel. Dear viewers, my dear students, now I am here with a case study based questions from the chapter of statistics. Okay, so now we will cover all three topics: mean, mode, median. Now here with me, my very talented students, Pooja is here. So now she will give the all answers. Pooja, how are you?
I'm good.
I am good, very good. So you read the first three formulas. X bar is equal to, this formula belongs to
Mean.
mean, to calculate the mean.
Mean.
Second formula to calculate the
Mode.
third formula.
Median.
Let's we start with the question. The question is, read out the question please. Number one.
Recently, the half-year examination was conducted in DAV Public School. The mathematics teacher maintains a record of the marks of 100 students. On the basis of the recorded data of the marks obtained in mathematics, the histogram is given below.
This is the histogram you can see.
Hmm.
So the first every student should this histogram convert into this table. Okay.
Okay.
So marks obtained in the first column and the first row and second row, number of students. So if a student takes 0 to 20, then its frequency will be 15,
15.
like that. Okay. So you can also arrange the marks obtained and number of students. So in the section of 2040, how many students?
18.
And 4060, how many?
21.
And 6080, how many students?
29.
And 80 and 100, how many students?
17.
In which column you obtain maximum number of students?
60 to 80.
60 to 80. Very nice. So now are you ready to give the answer? Read the first question. Identify the model class from the given graph. So it is easy to find out from histogram ki, or it is easy to find out from this table?
From tabular form.
From tabular form, because greatest frequency is.
29.
So what is your model class?
60 to 80.
Which option is correct?
C.
Very good answer. Thank you so much. Oh no, answer is given also in this. Okay, no problem. Second question is here. Find the.
Mode of the distribution of marks obtained by the students in an examination.
Yeah, so you have to calculate the mode. So what is the formula of mode?
Mode equals to lower limit of the model class plus frequency of the model class minus frequency of the class preceding the model class
Excellent.
upon 2 times frequency of the model class minus frequency of the class preceding model class and minus frequency of the class succeeding model class.
Just a second. You read the formula in a flow. Mode is equal to
Mode is equals to
L plus
L plus
F1
minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H.
Yeah, so search all elements. What is L in this case?
60,
Very good. F1,
29,
F0,
21,
F2
17,
and H.
20.
Very good. When you put the all values in formula, then you have to calculate, then you obtain mode.
68.
So which option is correct?
B.
B option is correct. So now read out the third question.
Given the mean of the above distribution is 53, using empirical relationship, estimate the value of its median.
Yeah, if mean is 53 and mode is 68, so what is the empirical formula?
Mode equals to 3 median minus 2 mean.
Yeah, so in somewhere you have seen this minus come to the left hand side and they arrange the mean, mode, median, but every time a teacher tell the students ki mean, mode, median are in the ratio of 1:2:3, but in the empirical formula is mode is equal to 3 times median minus twice mean. No problem. But sometimes in NCRT, I think they are written 3 median is equal to twice mean plus mode. Okay. So you have already value of mode 68 and mean 53. When you put in the empirical formula, then your median is.
58.
So which option is correct?
D.
Right now, this is the D option is correct answer. Very nice. Chaliye. Next question is.
The construction of cumulative frequency table is useful in determining.
Yeah. But for the year 2021, CBSE deleted this portion. That is called
More than and less than
ogive. Okay, but this graph is very useful to calculate the
Median.
median. Right now. So last question. What will be the upper limit of the model class?
The
Come to
mod-
the figure.
Model class is 60 to 80.
80. So upper limit is
80.
80. Which option is correct?
B.
B is correct. Thank you very much, Pooja. But I have some unsolved question for the student. We are not going today to solve all these questions, and we request our all students, please take this question very seriously. Okay. And here is also 5 MCQ question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and your answer are here. If any answer is doubtful or wrong, then please give in the comments. Write in the comments. If any answer is wrong, we will correct it. So congratulations, Pooja. You have given very good answers. Thank you very much. And please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you all.